I'm gonna try this again. Alley Chat, episode 2, marker. I think that was right. I hope. I don't think I've got it. Welcome back to Alley Chat. Together, let's figure some things out. What interests you about the entertainment industry? Is that something you can see yourself doing for the rest of your working life? Duh, you wouldn't be here if it wasn't. After you've taken those questions into consideration, you have got to discover your strengths and weaknesses. For example, costumes is something that interests me. I could dress actors and babysit their clothing all day, every day. There's a long list of my strengths and a teeny tiny list of my weaknesses. But I know I'm a people person. I love the fast-paced action of being on a well-run set. That's how I knew set costuming was my jam. So today, I'm here to help you decide your path in the costume world. I lost my diagram. I'm gonna be your guide to becoming a costumer. Where you sit within the costume department is crucial because you've got everybody there. You've got your designers, which are department royalty. They're creative visual people who are the brains behind the whole operation, but they're probably pretty unorganized. Your custom-made tailors who love the construction of garments and have probably been sewing since their grandma taught them when they were 5. The aider dyers, they love to get down and dirty. Ew, not like that. They love the science of mixing dyes and creating concoctions, and they don't mind coming home with rainbow-colored hands every day. The greatest people you'll ever meet. Organized people persons that love fast-paced scenarios. But there goes their social life. And the worst. Beware of the supervisors. Totally kidding, guys. I had to pick on someone. I love all my supervisors that I work with. They are next level organized and great with numbers and the budget. Also, they're in charge of hiring you, so make friends with them. Where in the costume department do you think you'd fit in? Leave me a comment below. Okay, you should just know that I don't do this a lot, so this is like a really huge deal. I want to invite you to watch my next YouTube video this upcoming Sunday and every Sunday after that. Coolness! So I'll see you next week. You can go shave your back now. Sick. Did it. And cut!